Hello, myself Dr. Deepak Shirbhate. I'm working as a principal of Vikramshila Polytechnic, Darapur, Taluka Daryapur, District Amravati, Maharashtra State of India. And today I'm going to demonstrate you VRML versus COVID-19. How can how can Web3D help? So you know that virtual reality modeling language is also called as Web3D or 3D on the web. So in this particular presentation, I will elaborate about the Web3D consortium, how they are helping in fighting the pandemic of COVID-19. So let us start. COVID-19 crisis has demonstrated the creativity and innovation of our community in using open technologies for distributed design, local manufacture, and real-time connection. Web3D Consortium member National Institute of Health is providing helpful resources in this crisis. Check out the creative ways that National Institute of Health 3D Print Exchange 3D model sharing platform is helping elevate our healthcare system and improve treatments. From clinically reviewed mask, face shield, and ventilator parts to lab equipment, and door openers. The Web 3D platform, that is virtual reality modeling language, and extensible 3D specifically is helping distribute the knowledge and means for global preparedness and response. Power in numbers requires community. Each of us bringing our diverse point of view and skill to a common problem. More than ever, we are looking to technologies to help us medically, psychologically, and socially. While necessity is the mother of invention, we can also say that chance favor the prepared. The open source DIY and makers movement are increasingly using web standards and open graphic platforms to improve our response to the COVID pandemic. If anything, this crisis has demonstrated the creativity and innovation of our community in using these technologies for distributed design, local manufacture, and real time connection. For example, Web3D Consortium member National Institute of Health through NIH 3D Print Exchange is providing such helpful resources in COVID-19 crisis. Please check out the creative ways that 3D model sharing platform is helping elevate our healthcare system and improve treatments. So on this link you can get the 3D models of the mask, 3D shield mask, and other 3D parts which will fight the COVID pandemic. From clinically reviewed mask, face shield, and ventilator parts to lab equipment to door openers, the Web 3D platform, that is VRML and Extensible 3D, specifically is helping distribute the knowledge and means for better global preparedness and response. The National Institute of Health 3D Print Exchange provide an open, comprehensive and interactive website for searching, browsing, downloading and sharing biomedical 3D print files. The site also contains modeling tutorials and educational materials about workflows. In page X3D previews let you examine each model interactively and multiple download options are included. Here is a virus you can share. 3D model of COVID-19 and coronavirus proteins are available in VRML and X3D and other formats. Download VRML or X3D models for local and outsource 3D printing. So this is the VRML model of COVID-19 or coronavirus. And you can open, this is a very huge file, more than 100 MB, and you can view it in different modes, like say smooth, solid, hidden, bounding box, and transparent mode also. I'm using BS contact player for viewing purpose. And with the help of 3D printing technologies, that is rapid prototyping, you can convert this model into the solid model, which you can handle with your hand. You can touch it, and with the interactive viewing techniques and immersive visualization, you can view this particular model with the help of head mounted display, that is HMD. This is another mode of the same model. It is the same file, but actually I'm using different vertices mode. This is a flat mode. This is a vertices mode. This is a wireframe mode. This is a smooth mode. This is a solid mode. This is hidden line mode. This is a bounding boxes mode. Even you can use the transparent mode also. This is a transparent mode. So you can go inside the model and you can see the structure from inside, and from all side you can take a walk, and then you can use this particular model for drug delivery system visualization and various type of visualization in 3D. With the help of jump tool, you can go inside. If you make the collision detection off, then you can go inside the model and you can see it from inside. So this is the model. Actually it is a very bulky model. I will be providing the link to download this model, and you using the BS contact player you can interactively view the model in BS contact player or any browser like say Opera or Mozilla Firefox, Edge or Internet Explorer. When data is stored in VRML X3D file, it can be visualized with any X3D player across all hardware and operating system platform. Geometric data and metadata can be written and read with open non-proprietary tools. Virtual reality modeling language and extensible 3D acts as a central information representation that can route engineering 3D model information between diverse 3D applications. There are a number of workflows and tools to improve and export data between X3D and other open and proprietary formats. For example, VRML and X3D is supported by the 3D printing software Cura software, Netfab, Shapeways. Open tools like MeshLab, Blender, among the others, support extensible 3D model authorizing and modification. Web3D is a non-profit organization that develops and maintains the extensible 3D, VRML and H-ANIM international standards. These are 3D graphics file format and runtime specification for the delivery and integration of interactive 3D data over the web. Web3D consortium members work together to produce open, royalty-free and ISO ratified capabilities for web. Join Web3D consortium and show the industry you are the leader who is helping make interoperable 3D a reality. So thanks for watching my video. In case of any query or clarification, you can contact me on my contact details. The COVID-19 VRML code is available in the link which is given in the description, and you can check for more videos in the comment section based on Vivati Studio. Thank you.